Evie Summer. Where is she? I can't see her. I don't know how to zoom in. Come on. Are you ready? Put your feet in, Charles. Come on, Evie Summer. Woo! Wait, she coming. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes. Yay! Hold on. Oh, what have you done to me, daughter? Oh, what has she done? Oh, Chelsea. Oh, Sums, what has she done to you? Oh, God, her face is absolutely freezing. What has she done to you? Oh, you evil sister. You meant to hold on to her, how come you tipped up?
I was.
Oh, poor face is cold.
My butt is cold.
Do you want to go home now?
Yeah, you still recording it?
Yeah?
Why?
Because you just nearly tried burying my daughter in snow. Oh, babies. I suppose I should have a go really, shouldn't I?
Yeah, go on.
With Evie Summer on my own.
Back on your own.
Oh, she's so cold. Ah, we're going. Look at my rug. I can't do right much.